Good day, sir. I am Russell Carly Kimson, and this is our report, sir. Sailing directions, often called pilots, or sailing directions are essential navigation publication for a ship at sea. They provide detailed information to support a coastal navigation and port entry. Complementing standard nautical chart, this volume published by various National Hydrographic Office covered a wide range of topics relevant to maritime navigation, including coastal weather, current and ice, danger, future, and port. Here's how they contribute to navigation. Supplementing chart. Sailing direction provide information not always depicted on nautical chart, such as weather patterns, currents, danger, and local regulation. Local knowledge. Offer insight into specific coastal feature, navigation aids, and port facilities. Often include details that local pilot might provide. Passage planning. The information in sailing direction helps bridge crew plan their routes, consider hazard, and understand the local environment.